Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this dark, sultry, smoky eye with some glitter. It's super glam and dark and I'm obsessed. I love this look so much. And the reason why I did this look was because I got this palette from MAC and PatrickStarrr. This is the Sugar Mama palette right here. And my favorite color is olive green and like a dark, well, favorite colors is an olive green color and a like dark, rich burgundy shade. And there was olive green in here and my eyes went straight to it. I swatched it. I was in love. I love the gold flecks of shimmer through it. So I had to play around with it, and I love the other shades of how kind of cool tone the palette is, because I feel like there's so many warm tone palettes and I actually get really drawn to cool tone palettes because I feel like they're so different and I love playing around with cool tone shades. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and if you guys want to stick around to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the MAC Cosmetics X PatrickStarrr Sugar Mama eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Sugar Stick. So I'm first going to start off by applying this shadow through my crease using my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions, and then start doing circular motions to start blending this shadow out. I'm now going into First Class. Now I'm picking up this shade on my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm first going to start off by tapping this onto my lid just about halfway. And then I'm going to start blending this up and through the crease, concentrating most of the darkness on this outer corner, but then I am going to be bringing this into this inner corner as well. And it's okay if it gets onto your lid because we are going to be cutting the crease with concealer, so it's going to clean that up for the next shadow that I apply on my lid. And now I'm going to start doing little circular motions to blend this shadow up and out. And then I'm going to start kind of winging this out. So I bring it from the outer corner up towards the tail of my brow and then back into that crease. Now I'm going back into Sugar Stick and picking that up on my E38 and just applying that at the very high point of my crease to really blend this out. And these shadows actually blend out really nicely into each other, and it creates a really nice diffused crease. I'm now just going to finish off my lower lash line before I finish off my lid. So I'm picking up Sugar Stick on my E54 Medium Super Brush by Sigma and just running that along my lash line. And then picking up First Class on my E15 Flat Definer Brush by Sigma and just running this along my lash line really close to my lashes. And then once I get towards this inner corner, I'm actually going to bring it down and then start smoking that out and making sure it's connected to your outer corner of your crease. To create the cut crease, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair. So I'm going to look straight ahead into the mirror, and I'm using my E06 Wing Liner Brush by Sigma, and I'm applying the concealer right onto where the fold of my crease is. And now I'm going to pick up the concealer on my F70 Concealer Brush by Sigma and start to fill in the empty space on my lid. And then once I get to the middle part where the shadows will meet, I'll just start fading the concealer out. I'm now picking up Damp She Olive, so I just wiped off that brush and I'm applying this shadow right over top. And then just picking up a little bit of First Class and just blending these two shadows together. For my glitter liner, I'm using the Pixie Beauty Liquid Fairy Lights in Sunray. I picked up the Liquid Fairy Lights on my Sigma E06 Wing Liner Brush, and I'm going to start carving out right where I carved out the cut crease and applying that glitter liner. And then I'm going to fade that out towards the halfway point. And now I'm going to do the same thing and just fill in this empty area right here. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm using Sigma Longwear Eyeliner Pencil in Wicked. I'm now just going to apply some liner on my upper waterline. And then I'm going to line my lower waterline, but just stopping it right where that gold will meet. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into these Salon Perfect Silky Noir lashes in 652, and I just stacked 2 pairs, and these are the ones that I'm going to be using. And that's the eye look done. So I'm going to keep my lips nude for this look because my eyes are so dramatic. I'm in love with how glam it is and dark and sultry. Who's ready for fall looks? Because I totally am. I'm ready for the warm, dark looks, even though this is not warm, but it's dark and sultry, and I just feel like it's very fall appropriate. So for my lips, I'm going to keep them nude like I said, and I'm going to show you guys my go-to nude lip combination lately. I've been loving this. This is going to sound crazy because I was such a liquid lipstick fan, but lately I'm kind of liking the more like hydrated lip feel. So I'm first going to go ahead and line my lips and fill them in with this L'Oreal Color Reach Matte Lip Liner in Maiden Call. So it's a beautiful nude shade, so I'm just going to line my lips and fill them in. And then over top, I'm going to be going in with this Tarte Glide and Go Buttery Lipstick in Bare Bud. And I think this is why I'm so obsessed with this lip combination, because this just feels so buttery and hydrating and moisturizing on the lips. Plus it gives a really nice sheen and color to the lips. So I'm just going to apply this over top. And that is it. This is the completed look of my olive green glitter cut crease smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how this look turned out. I love how sultry and dark it is and glam with the glitter. And I'm actually really, really liking the inner corner. I don't know why. I'm just liking that kind of style now. It just looks really cool and different. So yeah, I want to know what your favorite color is. I told you guys that my favorite color is olive green and then burgundy and then rose gold. So I don't have one favorite color. Oh, and then I love any type of like pastel, like baby colors. I don't know why I always call them baby colors, like baby blues, baby pink, baby green, baby yellow. So any of those like kind of pastel-y colors are my favorite colors. I honestly can't have one favorite color. I don't know why. I just like them all. So I want to know what your favorite colors are, so comment down below. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also the list of all the brushes and my brush set that I used today with Sigma will be listed down below so you guys can find everything easier, and I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!